Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way fast. Update your graphics drivers and make sure Windows has recent updates. Once done, run Roblox Studio as administrator and disable game overlays that hook into rendering. Also, clear Roblox temporary files in %local app data %backslash/Roblox and reboot. These actions remove common conflicts and let you determine if the black screen is driver, permission, or temp file related without wasting time on reinstalling first. Next, dive into deeper compatibility and runtime fixes. You should force Roblox to use your dedicated GPU via NVIDIA or AMD control panels, or try the integrated GPU to isolate driver issues. Then repair or reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes so rendering libraries are intact. Once done, reset Studio settings by removing the Roblox Studio settings folder in App Data to rule out corrupted preferences. These steps address rendering. Finish by doing a clean reinstall. Uninstall Roblox Studio, remove leftover program and App Data folders, then install the current installer. After installation, log into a fresh account or run in Windows Safe Mode to identify profile-specific issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall as a diagnostic to check if security software blocks rendering. If disabling fixes it, add Roblox Studio to exceptions. If nothing works, collect logs and contact Roblox support, including steps you tried and driver versions for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.